Hello dear gardeners, welcome back to our channel. If you like useful gardening tips, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Today we're talking about autumn sowing of lettuce, and at the end of the video I'll reveal a secret trick that will help you get healthier and lusher plants. The end of September is the ideal time for sowing lettuce, because the temperatures are mild then, and the soil is still warm enough for rapid germination. Fall sowing of lettuce is a great way to take advantage of cooler temperatures and extend the harvest season in your garden. Lettuce likes moist soil and mild temperatures, which is why autumn is the ideal time for sowing. Unlike spring sowing, when temperatures can be too high, autumn provides optimal conditions for germination and growth. Plants grow faster and healthier during this period, and are less susceptible to pest attacks. Prepare your flower beds by aerating them well and enriching them with nutrients. Proper soil preparation is key to success, and now I'm revealing a secret trick for faster growth and higher yields. Before planting lettuce, add a liquid made from 1 liter of water and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast to the soil. This mixture stimulates root growth and improves soil structure, allowing plants to absorb nutrients more easily. It's simple. Water the flower bed with this solution before sowing and enjoy a healthy, lush salad. I hope you found this trick useful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this tip with your friends. Good luck in the garden and see you in the next video.